Another quick project. This car is not having the AC come on, so AC. Okay, so that's blowing kind of warm. Yeah, it's blowing pretty warm. And down in here somewhere is the AC pump. There it is, up in there. It's directly below us here, and it's not on currently. So what we need to do is make it have AC. So this is our attachment point. This is the low pressure side. This is the side you're safe to play with a little bit. And we have a refrigerant kit here, so this comes with everything you need. They've changed the design of this hose a little bit, but that's okay. So what we're gonna have is a can of stop leak and refrigerant. That's refrigerant. That's refrigerant. Stop leak. So we've got 2 cans of stop leak. We've got an extra one. This car's got an issue where it seems to lose its prime after a couple of weeks. So let's hook this kit up and get the AC going. So these are pretty simple. First of all, there's a safety collar on here. I'm just going to take off now. So the way these work is inside of here is this little guy here. So this is a puncture probe, and that punctures the can, which allows stuff into the system. Okay, so all we got to do is make sure that is all the way out, so in the closed position. And we're just going to thread this can of stop leak onto here. Good and snug. This is just a quick release. Now we start the car. So what we're seeing here is it's got a little tiny bit of pressure, but not a lot. So what we need to do is tighten this, and that's going to puncture the can. And then we open this up a little bit, and that's going to kick it on. And we just want to use this dial to keep that in the 35-40 range. Okay, so it's taken all of that can. So we've got this all the way out now. It's got all of that can in it. And I can see the pulley turning, so that's good. Let's have a look inside and see if it's cold. Yeah, it's cold, so that's good. So with the 1 can of stop leak in there, that's starting to drop pretty low again, so we're going to put a can of refrigerant in it now. So we're going to that's the refrigerant. Put that back on, and same thing. Actually, one thing I forgot to do, they do say shake these, so we're just going to shake it up a little. And screw that in place. And again, we're just going to keep it in the blue range as the can drains. I can hear it cycling. It's blowing cold inside, that's good. Looks like we need another can. So we want it to stay in the blue area, so see how it's dropping into the green? That means it's low. So we're gonna pop this off and we're gonna give it one more can of good. Okay, we got one last can on here. Okay, puncture this can. Wait till it needs it. Puncture this can. And we're just going to keep that on. You can hear the AC pump staying running now, so that's good. Okay, I want to be able to close this valve and have it stay good, so. Cool. Now we're going to look at the box and see what PSI it actually wants us to be at for this car. No, I might have been wrong. Thought I might have said on the box how much PSI you want, but it doesn't. And inside the car here, oh, we have definite AC. Here, let's try to get the whole can in that. Now we can pop this off, replace our cap. Now down in there, I know you're not going to be able to see it really well, but behind the spinning fan, right beneath that is the AC pump, and it's spinning. And it's getting cold inside, so that's fixed. Oh yeah. AC light's not flashing. This is very cold. You can't tell in the camera, but that's working. We're good. Let's fix something else.